Nail salon? Where? Dolls, I have been saving hundreds, if not thousands of dollars ever since I began doing my nails myself. I'm talking about applying artificial nails that gives me the salon quality look without the salon quality cost. And in today's video, I will be applying some artificial nails by using my Ebates artificial nail adhesive glue tabs, which I will get into later on in this video. Because first, I want to share with you all some artificial nails that I did purchase. Yes. So, like I was saying, I have gotten addicted to doing my own nails. And if you're a newbie that's passing through and you see me for the very first time, my name is Glam. I'm all for being a beauty on a budget who loves not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. So the first set of nails that I have to share with you, they all are by the brand called Kiss. However, the first set is the Glam Fantasy Ultimate Illusion Artificial Nail Set. This one right here looks like this, okay? This is screaming fall ready, fall vibes by giving off some burgundy matte coffin shaped nails. You also have some glittered accent nails, and you have the Ultimate Illusion 3D graphic looking accent nails the same too. So salon quality without the salon quality price. Okay, that's this one. The second ones are still part of the Glam Fantasy collection, and these are the Glam Fantasy Ultimate Diamond Nails. These give you an amazing 3D look with an ultra smooth finish, and looks like this right here. What made me obsessed with this particular design is the neon trend is on and popping. It done came back full swing, on and popping, especially from, you know, late in the summer into early fall. Everything is all about neon, and with these nails you are definitely going to win in that department. These are giving you the salon type finish without the salon type finish cost, and on top of that you're getting accent nails that gives you the ultimate 3D illusion experience. So those are those right there. And the last two that I have to share with you is part of the Bring the Salon Home Kiss collection. First one's up, fall ready, winter ready. You can't go wrong with black and gold nails, I kid you not. Love, love, love these. Love the accent nails, love the design, love how these are giving you 24 nails to a pack, and in each pack of nails that I've shown you gets your own artificial nail glue included in the pack. These were less than $10. I think these was about $7 or so. But seriously speaking, where else are you going to find a nail salon that's going to give you these kind of nails on all 10 of your fingers for less than $10? I'ma wait. Comment down below. Tell me what nail salon is doing that, and I'll be on the first flight or first bus to it. Anyway, like I said, these are the black and gold design, which I absolutely love, and you're getting 24 in the pack on the Bring Home the Salon Kiss collection, and you get 28 in the pack in the Glam Fantasy collection. Looks like that right there. And the last ones that I have to share with you scream still summer, kind of fall-ish ready. These right here. What amazed me about these are the ombre effect. To die for. The ombre effect is a mattifying looking nail with an ombre effect, and it's screaming fall ready vibes with a hint of pink, and it also gives me some wonderful glittered accent nails, and again it comes with its own nail glue. And these were the 4 nails that I picked up in this haul for having my artificial nail collection. I have quite an extensive artificial nail collection, and I tell you what, if you thumbs up this video and I get enough likes on it, I'll be sure to come back and give you a full, unedited, raw, in-depth artificial nail collection tour. How does that sound? Sounds like I hear that like button going on. And subscribe so that way you can stay in the know for future videos that I'll be uploading. So those was the nails. Now, as I said to you when I first opened up in this video, oh, my ear is itching. As I said to you when I first opened up in this video, I'm going to be doing my nails in a video by using my Ebates artificial glue adhesive tabs. Now, as I said to you, each nail does come with its own artificial nail glue, but I'm such an avid artificial nail wearer that I swap my nails out every other day. Honestly speaking, I swap my nails out to match my outfit, or to match whatever mood I might be in, to match my wig, or just because I can. So I no longer can stand for the commitment of wearing the artificial nail by using the actual nail glue. So these little glue tabs work very well for me. Now if you are a glam doll that decide you want to swap out your artificial nails, by the way, when I'm not looking at you, I'm looking down to pick up the nails that I'll be using. If you are a glam doll that's looking to swap out your nails on a regular basis, then perhaps the nail glue tabs is what will work best for you. They offer temporary use. I cannot stress that enough. Temporary usage. They're not to be worn, you know, like for a week or so. These artificial nail glue tabs are only good for maybe 1 if 2 days, if that. You still will be able to do your dishes, you know, wash your hands or something like that, but the nail glue tabs are not meant to last a very long time. So I just wanted to get that on over to you. So this is what the nail glue tab is looking like. On here you get 20 artificial nail glue tabs to 1 sheet. You're getting 20 of them on 1 sheet, and to apply them I simply just take my time like this, peel off the glue tab, place it on my finger, give it a firm press, you know, give it a nice firm press, and then I apply it on all 10 of my fingers. Let me see, yeah, all 10 of my fingers. Again, I peel it off like this, apply the glue tab. Now the glue tabs are double-sided. It's like using double-sided tape for that matter. Apply the glue tabs all over my fingers, just like what I'm doing. And then once I get them on all 10 of my fingers, that's when I proceed by applying the actual artificial nail. Now the artificial nails that I will be applying are these right here. I do have the full video for you, which will be linked down in the description box below, and if you happen to be streaming this, I will also be able to have it on the screen at the end of this video in case you want to see that full video on that design of nail. So all 10 fingers are on. So now all I gotta do is peel the tab as such, take the first nail, apply it by pushing back on my cuticle a little bit, and voila, first nail is applied as such. And I'm just going to continue that process all the way through. And like I said, the artificial nails that I am applying are those right there. That design, that's part of their masterpiece collection. When you get the masterpiece collection like what you're seeing right there, you get 30 nails in a pack. That's what I love about the masterpiece collection. They give you 30 nails to a pack. Now with that nails that I just showed you, I ended up mixing nails. See, that's what I mean by I'm such an avid artificial nail wearer. Now those nails are green, well, they're like a green color. However, the pink nails that I'm including in on this comes from a totally separate artificial nail set, which is not part of the Kiss collection. It's just some other artificial nails that I purchased from my local beauty supply store that happen to be the same length as the Kiss nails. So that's how I was able to mix them together, because they're the same length. And I wanted to wear pink and green, you know, like to match. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. I wanted to wear the pink and green to match my jacket, so that's why I did mix them together. And voila, all 10 of my fingers are now done. This is what I love about doing nails myself. If I would have went to a nail salon, honey, I wouldn't have got a full set that looked like this for no less than $10. I don't think so. This is what they are looking like. Okay. Oh, let me turn this around. By the way, this is my eyeshadow palette, in which I will have more information about it at the end of this video. But these are what my nails are looking like. All 10. Well, the thumbs are green, but all 10 of my fingers are looking like this. Not bad, huh? So on that note, dolls, this pretty much concluded the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Everything that I use will be listed down in the description box below. And make sure you check out my other video right there. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.